basically, I mean, I remember coming here last year in August. This thing was a mess. There was parts everywhere. The inside of the car had just other external parts in it, and it was a huge mess. And throughout being at UTI, we've done a bunch of things to it actually. And this whole engine block was replaced. The old one had a knock in it, and it didn't run very well whatsoever. The only thing that's actually still in here that was from the original engine is like the air manifold and some of the tubes for the cooling, and that's pretty much it. Everything else has been replaced by students and instructors. The instructors actually replaced the engine, dynoed it, and confirmed that it was going to work and run in this car. As the students just put all the external things on, such as alternators, cooling fans, everything else external that connects the car, electrical, you name it.
And my students have been helping me out, putting it back together. Actually, one of my co-workers, Mr. Clark, actually helped me rebuild the engine. Actually, he did it himself, and I had the students help me out in putting the engine back in and getting her going and getting it shined up and ready to go back home.